Hey, it's Ian, and today I'm here with the Super Sweeper. Now this is a revolutionary new cleaning tool that will blow your old broom out of the water. Let me show you what this can do. Now this can do what your conventional broom can do, but much better. Not only can it sweep up dry messes like coffee grounds, grass, and dirt you may have tracked in, but also wet messes like eggs, spaghetti sauce, and so much more. Now if you're a pet owner, this is absolutely essential thanks to its 6-tier sweeper blades, which will attract and gather pet hair like never before. Try it on your rugs, your carpets, the couch, and even smooth surfaced floors. This does it all much better than you've ever seen before. Now because of the squeegee-like design, it can also clean glass and windows. Tell me, can your broom do that? Now if you've ever had to clean the bristles on your broom, you know just how frustrating that can be. But you won't have that problem with this because all you need to do is rinse it clean. Now this features a foam pad for your hands, making it super comfortable to hold, and it even detaches so that you can transform this into a whisk broom. Now here's a tip that I found works wonders. If you add a little moisture to the blades, this will work even better. Now this has been going viral on TikTok, and for good reason, because once you try this, there's no going back. But what will impress you the most out of anything is our super low price. So head on over to the site and grab yours today before they're all sold out.